All right, we got a couple of shut-offs that aren't shutting off. There's a really tight space. So we are gonna use these instead of trying to get these compression stops off. Okay, so this isn't gonna work because this one's not threading into that. That one went on fine, but this one just does not want to go on, man. That's as far as it'll go right there. That is as far as it'll go. Alright, I had to change the angle stops. There was no other option. I had to uninstall the drain and all that good stuff. So, yeah, it is what it is, right? Now let me just get this one off. Some adapters on there and some threaded angle stops. Water's back on. These are all good. Now it's time to install some real quality. Okay, we got the drain installed. And we got a couple of helpers here. I'm not going to show their faces, but we got a couple of helpers. You guys have been very helpful. I appreciate it.
We have a couple of helpers.
Yep.
Oh, so this is your video.
Who turned on the water, boys? Who turned on the water? Who turned on the angle stops? Who turned them on? You guys did. You're supposed to say me.
Me.
Who turned them on?
Me. Me.
They did. They did a good job.
Wait. What?
Okay. So we just need an extension. Don't turn on the water. Stop. Whoa, stop. I don't have everything hooked in yet. So I still got to put this in, and I got to put an extension right here, and then then we're good. So just don't turn the water on yet, okay? All right, boys. Who wants to do the honors?
Me.
All right, go ahead. Turn the hot and cold on. Let's just test it. There you go. Is it going?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it going down?
No.
Oh, I have to. All right. Sorry. Sorry. I messed it up. I need to. I still got to. Now it's going down.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay, 10 minutes.
Okay. I just got to connect this and that's it. Okay. It's all connected, boys. We're all good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.